guys, it's Ange from TacToys, Australia's leading gel blaster specialists, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be recommending another useful product to have with your gel blaster, and that's the 7.4 and 11.1 volt battery charger. When you purchase the gel blaster, it usually comes with a 7.4 volt battery and a USB cable only. The charger has two ports, one for the 7.4 volt and another for the 11.1 volt battery. This charger also features an LED indicator. It displays red when charging, and when all the indicator lights are green, that means the battery is fully charged. So two of the major advantages of this charger is that it charges all batteries and it charges it at twice the speed. So just some tips for caring for your battery and for your charger. Number 1. When your battery is fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger. 2. Unplug the charger from power when not in use to extend the life of your charger. 3. Only charge one battery at a time. And just a final tip, make sure that when you purchase the balanced charger, it has Australian cables, as some people will sell you the charger but it might have US cables. The balanced charger is only $25 and you can purchase it on our website and in store. To view our full range of products, head to tactoys.com.au. This is Ange from TacToys. Happy blasting!